Here are the keys to your new place.
I'm super excited.
I'm excited. It'll be fun here.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Alright.
As soon as Debbie got the keys to the new store, we went on a hunt to classic consignments for new pieces for display and to go in the store.
This baby is only $65. I've been watching the price go down. I think it has a lot of potential for that price.
Here's another chance to see the change we need. See a miracle when we walk these streets. Living life in the light, redefining the land of the free. I can feel it, there's something in the water.
My sister and I's live where we did the IOD molds. This was the inspiration right here. The price on it, $5.99. This is lovely at $3.09. It's marked down. It is gorgeous. I am considering that one. And this is super cool for $1.99.
This is a little tour of the new store.
Ooh, 2 jacaranda trees, planter boxes. That's the little hair salon. And all of this is on drip, so we have a succulent wall. We're gonna have tables and chairs out here for outdoor seating. We can have outdoor classrooms out here. This leads into the classroom area. So this is our classroom area. Look at it. It's like it's the size of my whole Solana Beach store pretty much. The ceilings, the light fixtures, the pretty floors that are all broken in. There's like shiplap situation, air conditioner. There is the barn door. I've always wanted a barn door. Oh my gosh, look. It opens. And it closes, and it opens. And then there's shelving right here. I think this is gonna be our break room. It has a roll-up door, so we could like have a little kitchenette in here and have a roll-up door and feed people from the roll-up door outside for events. Here's storage, you guys, storage. We didn't have any storage before. It's like, oh my goodness. And now we're going into the shipping room. This is gonna be the shipping room. Look at it. It's totally good for shipping. We might move the wall a little bit to make the shipping room bigger because the other side is the dressing rooms. This is probably gonna be Ellie's corner because she's already negotiated some space here. These are the old dressing rooms that you can see the exposed ceiling up there. We're probably gonna take these down because they're not load bearing and open this up into the other room. And then this is a little pass through. I think this is where we're gonna put our jewelry bar. And this is gonna be the future. Once we take this down, this is gonna be the candle making section. This is the main room where a lot of clothing and home decor and furniture are gonna be. That's a roll-up door. This is the future dressing room. Then this will be like the area to come in and try on stuff. From Highway 101. And then this is the side door from the parking lot. This is gonna be our window display area. And this leads into the room that is going to be paint IOD, Jamie Ray stencils, and then furniture for the rest of it. Furniture, all in here, right by the big roll-up door, so we can get it in and out so easy. That has never happened before. There's the garage door. Like, this is what Melissa was hoping and praying for. Up. The stairs. And then we have this office. There is Highway 101. There's a very busy restaurant out there. Surf shop over here. This is one of the busiest businesses, long-standing businesses in Encinitas. This is our parking lot. Looking down on the front door. You guys, it's almost 3,000 square feet. It's crazy. I can't even. It's amazeballs. We're moving stuff over, you guys. Okay, stop. You're good. That's perfect.
We are packing the store up. There's heavy breathing. Woohoo! Look how far we've come. It's getting packed. Woohoo! So much left to go. Gotta go.
It's the noise and the fashion. Whatever gets your reaction.
Blanket, just blanket! Date. We are almost completely full. You're never gonna believe what the store looks like. We're not finished though. Ah, look at it! It's almost empty! Not this part.
Okay, we got load number 1. We packed this puppy to the gills. We could actually fit a little bit more, but Ellie wants to help me unload. She's got to go to a wedding at 2 o'clock. Ellie, how do you feel?
Yeah!
All right.
Exhausted.
You think you can drive this thing down the highway?
I do this every day.
All right.
I got this.
There she goes. She got it.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okay, we are headed to the second location. It's a busy day. Ellie's up ahead. It's just a few miles down the road. Thank goodness. I am excited, super excited.
All right, this is day 2. This is how far we've come. Me and Zach are here. We just took out shelving and all the clothes, and let's see how happy he is. So, this is the van. It's fully full to the max. We have become the next U-Haul.
Wow, I love being videotaped really closely.
Good on ya, right next to our location. They have all kinds of organic, amazing things. We are getting breakfast. Here is the menu. I'm gonna get the protein scramble. Lots of organic, good protein here. So I'm very excited to have these people as neighbors. There's lots of outdoor seating. So this is Bria and Mackenzie, and they're our first sale. We sold a nightstand and we're not even open yet. We're so excited. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Yes.
We are so excited to open up this second location. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video to see everything being decorated and set up. Thank you. Love you guys.
Mercy.
Don't you agree, Levi? Everything's better on wheels. Stay tuned. We go live every day at 2 PST, sharing with you the progress of how we go from ground zero to opening day. Thanks for watching.
Itself out on me.